So I've loaded up the car with all the stuff and on my way home. As you can see, I'm living in, there's mountains everywhere. As you can see, I'm living up there in the mountain, so we have a few more minutes to arrive. But so see you later. So I'm back home now, and I figured out that I wanted to like dust off at least the motherboard and the power supplies before I start building it together, because as you can see my hands are really dirty just of taking apart the rig down in my remote place. So I'm just going to dust off the cards. I will clean them while I'm building the next the rig, and then I will take the whole rig out and blow air through all the cards. So let's get to it then. Everything is cleaned up, all the cards, I've cleaned them, blown them with the air. So I cleaned all the cables, as you can see. So they were really dusty. So so soon it should be good to go for building cards in new frames. And I also got this today, two HD 7950. So I'm definitely going to test them just for fun on a few different algos and stuff like that. So if you want to see the whole build itself from start to finish, I will do that on a live stream on Twitch. So you should definitely come follow me over there. When I do like complete builds and stuff like that, I do that on Twitch. So it would be nice to see you over there. So I will build this on a live stream now, and you can check that out. I will also upload the complete live stream later to YouTube, so you can see it there also. But I see you back when the rigs are together. Okay, so now both rigs are done. Just loading HiveOS on the last rig now with a new USB stick. So soon ready to go back to the farm and put these machines to work again. Okay, so we're ready to go back down to my other location now. I was building together the rigs and yesterday, and I took with me this empty frames just so I can put on the floor and put them on, because I don't have a lot of I need some tables or something to put my rigs on. I'm going to put everything different. But I still have a few more rigs to build, and then I'm going to fix the other stuff later. So then we're back at my other mining rig location. As you can see, it's kind of messy here, but we'll put up like a table all this way around and put the rigs on. And as you can see here, we have my intake in the summer with that's pulling air inside the room, and here is where I pull the air outside. And as you can see, my big aluminium frame is soon empty. I'm going to take with me the last 9 cards today and put them in a new frame. And I have to reorganize all the power and my network down here. As you can see, I have this big cable coming over here with the power, so I have to move this frame away and put the connections for the rig in some other way, and it's kind of empty now. I was putting this big frame together myself about last year, I think, and before that I was using kind of these wooden frames like this. So but now all my rigs is going into 8 card rigs instead of 13, and so that was a little tour around my place. Here we have like the sitting place with the sofas and everything. These are the rigs I just rebuilt. We have a small computer down here, and so we also have like a big space over here. So I'm not sure if maybe we move some around later. We have a small kitchen, toilet, so it's kind of a nice place to I can sleep if my wife get tired of me. Oh, I'm just kidding. So I'm going to put this back in the room now and take out the rest of the cards, and we'll probably take a quick video before I go. So see you soon. Okay, and then I got all the cards, the last cards out of rig. As you can see, it's really dusty. So this needs a good cleaning. It's looking like a mess, everything, the cables. So I have a few hours of cleaning here to do. As you can see, I just relocated everything for now. So everything is up and running again. Just have these fans in the room to just get some more airflow around, so the air doesn't stay still and the heat can build up. And as I told you, I'm going to put the table all the way and put all the rigs on the tables. Now just put it on another frames just to get them up from the floor so they don't collect too much dust down there. So I'm going to load all this up in my car and go home. As you can see, all the rigs are running. Hit the light here maybe, so yeah. So the rigs are up and running. They get about 31.4.7 on each card. So I think that's it for today. And as always, if you like this, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I will bring you some more good stuff in the future. So see ya.